11.5 foot whiting rod built by John Pope at Scarborough. Got a 6-inch LV spool with 6-pound line and a 4-pound fluorocarbon leader. Using number 4 mustard Aberdeen Ultras. Very small whiting for the day, I think. Just got a little bait keeper on it for the worm and live worms. I'll go about 24. I've got a ruler here, so I'll measure that before I put it in the bag, but it certainly looks legal to me. Nice legal sand whiting. Well, this morning we're 1 from 1, 1 cast, 1 fish, 25 centimetre sand whiting. See how we go on this cast, second cast. And we're on. Second cast, second fish. This might be a reasonable day today. Actually feels a little better, this fish. Last one was 25. It's actually fighting a bit like a little bream. That's nuts, the whiting. It's almost a twin. That one's probably marginally smaller. This will just go 23, I think. We'll have a look at this on the ruler. Right at my feet! Bigger dart. Another dart. They're everywhere. Close. Right in close, that one.